guys, welcome back to my channel. So last night I just colored my hair using a recommendation, and it is the Schwarzkopf Brilliance in the shade blue black, and it looks like this. It's a very pretty blue black. It looks more like a dark navy, which when I was processing it, it was very, very blue. So I haven't really gotten a chance to see what it looks like in this lighting yet. So like this is the first time I'm seeing it in nice natural lighting. But anyways, we'll get into that in a minute. So this color is very hard to find in the States because it's not here. I had to order this on eBay and this came from Australia. So it took like 2 months to get here and the price was outrageous. And of course I need 2 boxes. So this was like a $70 experience. And I'm glad it went as smooth as it did because I feel like for $70 it should go smoothly. And it was very, very gentle. I had no irritation whatsoever. And the past couple hair colors, I've had to like reach for my ion sensitive scalp oil to add to it. And this time I got my Sweet and Low out and I had the packet sitting on the sink so that if I were to have irritation, I could just sprinkle the packets in. And if you're just like, Sweet and Low, really? If you're new to my channel, then here is a tidbit that I was given by a color stylist. She works at a salon and she has a very sensitive scalp, and so do her clients. And she learned to put Sweet and Low packets in her hair color. And she's never had an issue with that ever. And she does it for her clients who have sensitive scalps as well, and obviously herself, and it does work. I put it to the test. I actually did one where I did half of my head with Sweet and Low and I did the other half with the ion sensitive scalp oil to see if it really does work, and they both work using a hair color that I know gives me such irritation, and they do. I would suggest using like 2 packets of Sweet and Low per box, and usually I can get away with just 1 vial of the sensitive scalp oil from Ion in 2 boxes. So that's, you know, food for thought. Sweet and Low is cheaper to buy and it doesn't do anything to like hurt you. It just makes your hair smell a little sweeter. Yeah, so this hair color was super gentle and there was virtually no smell. It did have a small scent of obviously like hair color, but it wasn't so like strong that you needed ventilation. You kind of just was like, you knew it was there, but it was also so light that it was easy to forget about the smell. So this says it's 100% gray coverage and it's up to 10 weeks of hair color, or like 10 weeks of color intensity. We'll see. Lately my hair has been growing out like so fast that I literally have to color my hair after like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, because my roots are so bad with my whites. Like they are like coming in full force and it is not cute. So I feel like I have to color my hair within 2 weeks because it just drives me nuts. And I have updated photos of what that looks like and it's kind of bad. So I will show you like my befores and afters. Well, obviously this is my after, but I will show you my before, like before I start, so you can see for yourself like what color my start off is. And yeah. So this color does stain your skin, your sink, and your tub. So you're going to have to get your scrub and bubbles or your bleach or whatever bathroom cleaner that has something to remove hard stains, because it does stain. It stained my skin pretty bad, but I did do a face mask and stuff last night after I colored my hair and I was able to like scrub it off. I mean, it's still kind of visible, but it's not as bad. I didn't scrub that well off my hand, so it looks like I just kind of got purple bruises from the hair color all over my wrists. Yeah, so it looked really blue when I was processing. Like, it was like intense blue. Like I've mentioned in my last few videos, my vanity has been like playing tricks on my eyes with the lighting, and all I see every time I've colored my hair is my hair looks dark brown. It does not look black whatsoever. But as soon as I get in front of my window or I'm outside, I can physically see how dark it is and actually see the color. And since I did my hair at night, like, obviously I couldn't see. So this is my first grand reveal of the color, and so far I like it. I do see tiny bits of blue. It's not as blue as the box, but I feel like it's very subtle for the picture. Like, it's not like as like blue, so I guess it's pretty much the same. It definitely covered all my grays. Sorry, I got a little crazy with my foundation and got it in my hair when putting it on. So it definitely covered up all my roots. It's definitely really dark, which I really like. I know it sounds crazy when I'm just like, oh, I feel like my hair doesn't look super dark. And then I bet, like, if everybody looks at me, they're like, your hair is so dark. It's like as dark as midnight. And I'm over here thinking, like, it needs to be darker. But it is nice and dark. I like it. I like that I can see the blue. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but when I move, I can see the blue. And I do like how dark it is. It definitely looks nice and dark. Let's see if I can play. Ooh. Okay, let's not do that. Trying to see if I can. Okay, you see, I can see some of the blue now with the sun shining in. I'll have to see what it looks like fully in the sun and get a good photo of that if I have time today. But yeah, it looks really good. It feels really good. I really don't have any complaints about this, except if you live in the States and you can't get your hands on this, it's not worth the $70 because of the shipping and where it's coming from, and waiting 2 months to get it is kind of ridiculous. But if you are overseas and you do get your hands on this, I love it. I wish this was in the States because it would probably replace the Schwarzkopf color all time, because that one's been giving me irritation and it's my favorite brand. I do like the keratin color, but I just feel like I like that one more when my hair's a little more damaged, because you have like your pre gel that you put in on the ends first. I mean, it's not gonna like kill me to use it, but, and that one's pretty gentle in my hair, but I like the all-time color because it's more, I feel like you get more blue in that than the keratin color. I feel like that one is just more of like a subtle blue black where you kind of can see it, but it's not as like blue as the all-time. So anyways, this would definitely replace it if we carried it in the US, and I'm kind of jealous that we don't, because this was awesome and it was virtually mess-free. I mean, I did get like, when I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but whenever I color my hair, like strands of hair come out and it just like lands on my sink. So, and it already has color on it, so it stains my sink because of that. And since it's a cream, you basically are mess free. If it's a liquid, I'm done for. It's like everywhere. It's on the floor, it's on the wall, it's everywhere. It's just, I'm very messy. So yes. So I basically have nothing bad to say about this hair color. It looks beautiful. My hair feels amazing. I do see hints of blue. I will have to see if I get like a beautiful blue halo out in the sun. Yeah, so I got nothing bad to say. I just wish it was in the US because that would be amazing. Yeah, so if anyone has any other recommendations that I either have missed or haven't been able to do, or like if there's new ones out, let me know. I'm working on blue black still. I will get to purples, like the violet blacks and stuff. I'm not gonna do like just purple or hot pink or anything. I'm just gonna stay in the black family. And if it's just jet black or blue black or purple black, let me know in the comments below which ones you want to see, and I will definitely do my best to get it. I'm still looking for ones that are like overseas that I have gotten recommendations for. I still look for them because it's a big thing for me to try for you guys. And if shipping is available to the US, then I definitely will buy it. But it's very pricey and it takes forever to get here. So, yeah, if I don't get to them, I'm very sorry. And that's the only reason why that I can't find it on Amazon or eBay, and or the price is just so outrageous that it's going to cost a fortune just to get it here. But I do still have a handful of blue black hair colors to try. So if there's any that I'm missing or any new ones that were added to recent collections that I've already done, let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to do it. I have a list started of all the ones that I still have to get to, and yeah, so let me know and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.